Good morning, everyone. My name is Xiaowei Zhao, a scientific coordinator of AIOLUS. I'm professor of control engineering at the University of Warwick, director of the UK Supergen Network Plus in AI for renewable energy, and a co-director of the Supergen Offshore Renewable Energy Hub. Today, I'm delighted to introduce AIOLUS, an innovation in intelligent wind farm operation by cutting-edge AI. AIOLUS is the outcome of my team's work in the field of wind energy for the past few years. With the iconic project, make a significant contribution to its development. The name of AIOLUS combines AI with AIOLUS, the Greek god of wind, reflecting our ambition to revolutionize wind energy through advanced artificial intelligence. First, I would like to give a quick background introduction. We all know that the growth of wind energy is really astonishing. However, scaling up alone on capacity cannot unlock the full potential of wind energy. There are two layers of loss value in many wind farms. At farm level, turbines behave like strangers. Each turbine controller makes decisions in a silo. Same rule set for every site every day. Weak effects can lead to a huge losses in annual energy productions. And at the turbine level, factory set control curves and the parameters are only a starting point. A range of factors, including site-specific wind profiles, gearbox aging, blade wear, and local turbulence, steadily pull those curves away from their defaults and silently shaving off even more annual energy production. Put the farm level and turbine level gaps together, and a sizable slice of wind farm performance is still waiting to be unlocked. And this is where AIOLUS steps in. So the aim of AIOLUS is to improving operational efficiency by up to 5%. This boosts output from existing wind farm without new constructions. Here, taking the UK as an example, based on an official 2030 UK government wind energy targets, this improvement in performance is equivalent to adding 3.7 gigawatts of virtual wind farm for the UK. And to physically build this capacity would cost around 7.45 billion pounds. Another way of looking at this is that it would lead to an annual reduction of 4.58 million tons of CO2 emissions based on the 2030 UK capacity. The same as taking over 900,000 cars off the road. When extended across the European Union, where the total wind capacity is many times greater, the potential impact becomes even more substantial, represent tens of gigawatts of virtual capacity and tens of million tons of CO2 saving annually. So the core of the AIOLUS is a two-layer control system, both driven by machine learning. Particularly, farm-wise achieve whole farm AI control to mitigate weak effects. It's like a real-time farm brain that coordinates the whole farm behavior and maximize the overall power generation. While the turbine is an edge level machine learning fine-tune engine aiming to optimize the control setting and parameters of each individual turbine. As part of our validation, we conducted a wind tunnel test in Milan for AI-driven wind farm control. Here is a video from those tests conducted in November last year. Sorry, Jacob, can you hear the sound?
Yes.
Okay, when we did this wind tunnel test, we booked 5 working days. We thought we might need 4.5 days to do this debugging and tuning of our controller and use half day to collect data. Actually, our controller worked immediately in the first morning, so the AI is much more powerful than we thought. In addition to FarmWise and TurbineEase, AIOLUS also has 3 supporting modules, including Coolant, a GPU-accelerated high-fidelity simulation, and FlowFarmer, AI plus CFD hybrid modeling, and WindTwin, AI-powered digital twin for wind farm flow fields. I will briefly introduce each of them. Coolant leverages the GPU computation to radically reduce the cost of high-fidelity wind flow simulations. For example, in a case study, it can complete a simulation in just 8 GPU hours compared to the 15,000 CPU hours that would be required by traditional methods. The simulation results are demonstrated by the video here. Build on this, FlowFarmer further boosts simulation efficiency by integrating AI with computational fluid dynamics, improving the speed of wind farm simulation by more than 1,000-fold. So this can achieve the real-time simulation based on a laptop. It uses a transformer architecture to enable fast, control-oriented modeling and simulation. Our system also including a digital twin called the WindTwin. WindTwin is the first ever digital twin for wind farm flow system powered by physically informed machine learning. It acts as a live mirror, a real-time virtual replica of the wind farm's three-dimensional wind flow, continuously updated with live data. The black dots represent ladder measurements in the front of a wind turbine. These paired videos show the close agreement between the ground truth and the digital twin results. The core function of WindTwin is to infer detailed wind flow information from sparse measurement, enabling enhanced control and predictive maintenance. Another case study is this time for the sea power wind farm in the North Sea, demonstrate how our digital twin accurately infer a very large three-dimensional wind flow from only sparse measurement. Moreover, our technology is transferable and can be extended, for example, to create a digital twin for large-scale weather systems. Here, it is reflecting the wind pattern across the whole North Sea. You can see the AIOLUS is a holistic system built on 3 core pillars: control, digital twin, and modeling. Each has been rigorously validated, and together they form a seamless AI-powered wind farm management systems. To summarize, AIOLUS is built on a stack of cutting-edge method. It has 3 core building blocks: modeling, digital twins, and the control system, with the control as a core of it. AIOLUS received the inaugural Manchester Finalist Prize, a prestigious award by the UK government recognizing the most cutting-edge AI technology developed for the public good. During the competition, we successfully passed a very comprehensive technical validation conducted by independent third-party companies, which confirm the technological maturity of AIOLUS and its enormous potential impact. Also, a high-level judging panel highlight AIOLUS as a highly innovative solution that address a critical real-world challenge with significant implications. We also noticed that AIOLUS has a substantial market potential on a global scale. In addition, AIOLUS successfully passed a rigorous ethics and responsible AI assessment led by the government. An important ongoing activity within AIOLUS is field testing. As part of the Iconic project, we are currently in the final stages prepare for a field trial in collaboration with the Sea Power Wind Farm in Belgium. We expect to begin the farm control tests next month. And finally, as a closing part of my presentation today, I would like to show you a promotional video for AIOLUS, which was produced by the UK Government Department for Science, Innovation and Technology at my lab.
So what we're doing with the AIOLUS is actually teaching the AI how to play the wind farm game, how to operate the turbines most efficiently, how to keep them safe, and how to maximize benefit for society.
And by applying the AI systems that we've created, we're optimizing the power generation that we're getting.
AIOLUS will have a massive real-world impact that people will actually feel in their daily lives. Instead of just building more turbines, AIOLUS helps to get more energy from the wind farms we already have.
At the core of AIOLUS is its smart control technology, which is then supported by the modeling and digital twin, all powered by cutting-edge AI.
It increases wind farm efficiency by at least 5%. That's equivalent to powering 1.25 million homes every year with clean, free electricity. In 5 years' time, we believe we can be deployed on hundreds of wind farms around the world. Perhaps most importantly, we'll be able to have tailored bespoke solutions for every turbine model and manufacturer, helping wind energy scale faster, cut cost, and become even more reliable.
Thank you very much for your attention.